You choose to pedal, to get to point B, to challenge yourself, to discover unfamiliar playgrounds, to be part of a tribe, to be part of a greener future. Your trusty bike is an extension of your body, and I'm here to give it superpowers you never knew it had. I'm SmartHalo 2. I'm lighter, slicker, leaner, and packed with new features. I'm still secured with an anti-theft locking mechanism, meaning you can always leave me on your bike. Yep, that's my signature halo and my new peak display. All the info you need at a glance. Need some help making it to your destination? Simply choose your favorite route type and we're good to go. Take a ride here. Feeling adventurous? Use compass mode and find your own path. You made it. Want to push your limits? Follow your performance? And easily switch between metrics. Hey, it's getting dark. I'm turning the light on. I also make sure you don't miss important calls. Uh-oh, watch out, thunderstorming coming. Better pick up the pace. Yeah, I'm also connected to your smart home to make your life easier. I'm always on guard. If anyone tries something funny, I'll bark loud. I mean really loud. That's right. Walk away, chump. These guys are my creators. And after 25,000 units sold from the first generation, they've listened carefully to the feedback from cyclists to build something even better. In fact, you asked for a lot, and they've delivered. I have over 30 improvements over my predecessor. I'm SmartHalo 2, and I can't wait to ride with you.
Losing your bike hurts. So we created Air, a totally new way to protect and locate your bike. Building on the advanced and innovative C-Sense technology that has already brought our cyclists intelligent lights and crash alerts, Air is a compact, lightweight and secure device that you can easily fit, then forget about for a whole season. This is because Air is the first dedicated bike tracking device to use the narrowband Internet of Things, a new type of cellular network with NB-IoT, Air's battery will last months, not days, and your bike's location will be visible on your phone right away. It's like a bike version of Find My Smartphone. Air is also unique with its fight or flight capability. Fight mode is Air's always-on self-defense setting, letting you know immediately if your bike's being disturbed. Air will also tell you if it's being stolen, automatically switching into flight mode. Here, it'll transmit high-powered tracking signals, locating your bike to the nearest couple of meters. You can pass Air's location to police, giving a better chance of recovery. We've always been about making cycling better for everyone, and we know what your bikes mean to you, so helping you feel reassured that your bike's protected was the next step for us. Through the amazing Kickstarter community, you've already helped us bring 6 products to life. That's why we're so excited to be back with Air, a totally new way to protect and locate your bike. Secure your pledge and back us now.
Introducing PUMPIT, the world's smallest portable tire inflator. Remember the time your car got a flat tire? Or your basketball didn't bounce back? Or your bike doesn't ride as fast as usual? Don't worry, PUMPIT will help you out. Simply remove the hose and the applicable nozzle, plug them in and screw it on the tire valve stem. Choose the right inflation mode and start pumping. It's that easy. PUMPIT comes with a 40cm 16-inch rubber air hose, a sports equipment needle, 2 high-pressure nozzles for cars and bicycles. It covers almost all your inflation needs. A 4 modes-in-1 design will intelligently preset a desired pressure once you press the button. An auto shut-off feature which will stop the motor when the target pressure is reached. PUMPIT barely tips the scales over 1 pound and doesn't exceed 5.1 inches on any side, making it the smallest pump among all the competing brands in the market. PUMPIT has a relatively powerful motor with a maximum working pressure of 120 psi and a good airflow which can inflate tires in a quiet, fast, efficient way without heating up. PUMPIT has a power indicator and floodlight to make tire inflation or changes much easier, even in pitch black conditions. PUMPIT, a must-have emergency roadside kit.